Alright, since you didn't see the Tara's meatloaf on that last video where I made it, here's what it looked like when it was finished. In the microwave it goes, leftovers. Okay, I did some weeding for about, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes. So, gardeners, are the leaves telling me I'm overwatering or underwatering? Because your first, or my first thought is not watering enough. These are in pots. I watered yesterday. See how dry it is? Weather's getting about 100 degrees. And I had, look at over here. I don't know if those are gonna turn into tomatoes, but I have lots and lots of now dead looking flowers. It's been so long since I did tomatoes and I wasn't very good at it in my sticks and bricks, but I'm wondering if it needs to dry out some or I need to water more. Please help in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think. We had a little rain last night, but I don't think it was enough to soften the ground to pull these. These weeds over here are easier to pull because they're not really in the ground. They're just in that deep pine needles. So those are pretty easy to pull and get them by the roots. So, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. Thinking about weed eating it for now. And who knows? Who knows? But anyway, I need to water my plants. Still no sign of jalapenos. So, don't know what that meant. Alright, let's go water my plants. I need to pull my little water bath out and clean it. Water bath or water bath for the birds, drinking water for the animals. Not for that animal. Not for that one. Excuse me, Sam. These, look at the thorns on those. So we've been told that these are poisonous to dogs. And they got big old thorns. So I need to get this up. I've got like 3 of them. So I need to, they do a really, really pretty flower, but it needs to go. Still nothing there. Okay, it's good as new now. They'll probably like that better. Whew, it's already hot. It's just now 8 o'clock. Yeah, after you wait a little bit, water your plants. Yeah, it's time to go in. It's already hot. Oh, a little leg update. Let me just show you what it looks like. Like I said, the lighting is probably not good. I'm not taking off the bandage this morning, but as you can tell, kind of here, this is about where the scrape part started. Well, you see all this is bruised. I don't know if you can see that or not all the way around, but anyway, this is where the scrape started. That's why I'm saying my bandages are getting smaller and smaller, because this is healing up really good. I still have well, I have several spots, but there's one spot right here that's just not happy. But everything I've read, it's okay. It's not red, R-E-D, red. I don't know. Anyway, my ankle is, like I said before, it's feeling a lot better. Just this bone here is the one that's hurting. But it's doing a lot better too. I'm able to walk on it more. Every once in a while I'll get a catch in it. But it is doing good. I mean, I guess we're on week 3. And slow healing, but it's healing. All right. I think we are going to go in and cook some breakfast. Let's see what we cooked today for breakfast. Making some pizza in the air fryer. Yum. Put a little bit of olive oil on this one. And introducing the garlic jalapeno. I'm going to put some of that on there. That's going to be so good. I'm not sure how much. Because that little taste test I did, whenever that was a bite of jalapeno, that's for sure. Aww. Drive left. Look how crispy that got. These are Dollar Tree pizza crust. $1.25 for 2.
And it is so Gouda.
Is it Gouda? Yeah, it looks good. My goodness, that spice, that is good. That just took this pizza over the top. It's so good. I love these little Dollar Tree crusts. Pizza has changed.